Hi guys, what is linked services? Linked services are much like connection strings, which define the connection information needed for the service to connect to external sources. So the data set represents the structure of the data within the linked data store. And linked services define the connection to the data source. For example, you have Azure linked services, like links a storage account to the services. Here, Azure blob dataset represent the blob container and the folder within that Azure storage account and that contain the input blobs to be processed. So guys, what it means simple way. So for example, if I want to connect to Azure Blob Storage or any database in cloud or on premises databases, you need linked services. With help of this connection string only, you are going to connect, then you are going to get the data set, nothing but structure of the data. So major thing of linked role, like with help linked role services, you need to connect to the particular sources and you want to you want to get the data set, nothing but structure of the data within the linked data store, right? So it's one type of data services where you used to connect to the Azure Blob Storage or on-premise table or cloud databases. So this is the way where you can utilize the linked services. Okay, for example, I have the linked services mostly connected to the activities. Okay, in this the activity will consume the data set and this data set is interconnected to the linked service with help of connection string, guys. Okay, this connection string will helps to get the data set from the particular blob storage or table. So then these activities can be utilized by the pipeline. So pipeline will group these activities and perform the task, guys. So this is about the linked services.